The Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 are two excellent choices if you want a huge display. These two flagships are the biggest models available from their respective manufacturers, and we're here to determine which one is superior. Although they both feature huge displays, these phones have drastically distinct styles. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, as its name suggests, offers a foldable display that can adapt to your use case. On the front, it has a 6.2-inch covered display that looks like a traditional phone. When you open it up, you see a 7.6-inch screen that can be used almost like a tablet. The back side has a minimalist design thanks to the triple camera array. Even though it has the enhanced Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and aluminum frame, it still could break if you drop it accidentally. It has a stunning design, therefore you should absolutely get a case for it to preserve its fragile structure from fractures. Although the iPhone 14 Pro Max's display doesn't fold, the company did retire the notch in favor of the dynamic island cutout, which combines hardware and software elements. The iPhone 14 Pro Max has the traditional matte glass look on the back with a Pro camera system and a center Apple logo, obviously. Both smartphones have sharp screens and up to 120 Hz refresh rates in the display department, which results in smoother animations and transitions. The frame separating the glass back from the screen is made of polished straight stainless steel, giving the device a premium box design. The fold and support for Smart Styli are the main improvements, but it's also important to note that Samsung updated the hinge with this model, making it possible to unfold the phone nearly entirely flat. This upgrade may determine whether you decide to buy a foldable phone in the end or not. Similar to how the Samsung Foldable supports the S Pen whereas the iPhone 14 Pro Max does not, you may want to take this into consideration if you routinely doodle or take handwritten notes. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.